guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic we are going to see what is incident management, problem management, and change management. I think after a few days, I took a gap. Okay, so now I am uploading a video. Okay, let's go to Notepad and we'll see what is incident change and problem management. So today is class 14th of learning service admin, ServiceNow Admin. So today's topic is incident, problem, and change management. First, we'll see incident management. What is incident, guys? Incident is nothing but an unplanned interruption occurred in a service. Like example, uh, when you're working on some software, so you will be getting an issue with that software. It will be not working, it will be throwing an error. So you will be raising an incident request that this software is, example, a team software is not working, I'm getting this error message. You will be raising a request that is called as incident. An uninterruption, an unplanned interruption occurred in a software or a service. Is called incident. We'll see now how incident life cycle are there. Now we'll see what is problem management. As you know, if the same incident request which has raised, if the same problem is arising multiple times, that is called as problem management. If same issues is occurring for multiple customers, is said to be problem management. Now we are going to see the life cycle of problem management. So in this life cycle of problem management, firstly we'll create a problem. After creating a problem, we will assess it whether it is a problem or not. Okay, we will check whether it is a problem or not. That is called assess. After doing checking the problem, we will check the root cause for the analysis. So what is the main root cause for this problem? We will be going to analysis. And fourth, we will be fixing the problem. Okay, whether what are the issue we are getting triggered, so we will be fixing those problem here. Fifth one is problem is resolved, and six is the problem is closed. Like similar to incident management lifecycle is problem management lifecycle also. Okay, who will create the problem management? Mainly the ITL user will be creating the problem management. Okay, he will be raising the ticket. Okay, and he will be checking the root cause for the problem, and he will be closing it. So next comes change management. Change management. What is a change management? Change management is when you're moving the code to the production, we use this change management to move the code to production. We use change. Here there are three types of change management. Those are, first is normal change, second is standard change, and third is emergency change. Okay, so here, so what is normal change? In normal change, generally when developer wants to make some changes, okay, he will be changing in normal change, and he should has to get approved from cab approval. What is cab? Cab is nothing but a change advisory board which gives the permission for developer to change the code into the production. Change advisory board. In normal change, when developer want to make some changes, he needs cab approval. Okay, so whereas in standard change, he doesn't require any cab approval because the developer will be changing frequently. Okay, that comes into change approval. Whereas the definition goes like this: it doesn't require any cab approval before make a change. It's pre-approved because of frequently doing the same kind of changes. Okay, so standard change is not required any cab approval before making a change because it's pre-approved. It's pre-approved cause of frequently doing changes. Okay, so last is emergency change. What is emergency change? When developer raises emergency request, then respective developer needs to be implementing the changes immediately. This requires a cab approval. Need cab approval. When customer raises a request, then respective developer needs to implement the changes immediately. This is called emergency change. So these are the three changes we are going to see in change management, okay, with the cab approval. So life cycle of change management is, we are going to see life cycle of this one. So basically first we will be creating a change request. Second, risk and impact analysis will be doing. And third is we will be getting approval from CAB, change advisory board. And fourth is implementation. And fifth is we'll be doing validation and we'll be closing the ticket. Validate and closure. This is the life cycle of incident management, friends. Guys, this is all about three: incident management, problem, and change management. We have seen the life cycles of all those three. Okay, this is all about today's class, guys. Thank you so much.